Good morning and welcome to EduVeda Academy. In this video, we are going to talk about how to tackle interview questions of TCS Business Process Service examination. Firstly, a few basic information. This year, the process is going to be digital. Secondly, 2 to 3 panels can be expected. Questions are mainly based on your background and HR questions. Now, coming to the part of what kind of questions can be expected during this procedure. Number 1 is introduce yourself. The answer to this question can cover up your educational background in brief. You can highlight your achievements both in academics or your past experience. Then, basically focusing on what kind of a person you are, that is your likes, dislikes, hobbies, etc., can help you to frame a good answer for this question. Why should we hire you? It is also one of the most common questions asked. This is one of the most important questions also. You can mention the highlights of your career or academics. Also, mention the values you have, trying to link it with the TCS company values and explain why you are a fit for the job. Number 3, who or what inspires you in your life? This kind of questions are common, so have a few leaders of this industry or any industry who have achieved something extraordinary in their lives and talk about them. Next, mention your strengths and weaknesses. So, when it comes to strength, mention the good things that actually defines you and how that would help you in your work life. Coming to weaknesses, do not mention any key weaknesses. Answer this question in such a way that the weaknesses are in real sense a positive thing about you. Then another most important question is why TCS? You can say how this company's values and ethics align with yours and other reasons like the opportunity and boost it will give to your career, and you will get a learning experience from here. Then what is your aim in life? Here the interview basically wants to know whether your goals actually aligns with the company's goals and whether you are a fit for the job. Then, what are your skills? Do you have any certifications on your skills? For this kind of questions, you just have to be honest and mention the certifications that would actually help you while working for TCS. Make sure whatever you mention, you're well revised with those, as there might be follow-up questions based on your certifications after that. Then, another question is like, are you okay with the rules and regulations of this company? Now, this completely depends on you and also if you're up for it. Then questions like there's a bond of 2 years, is that okay with you? It is also something that depends on you completely. Also asking you if you're okay with any job locations given from the company. Make sure to have a clear idea in mind. It's better to get your priorities sorted and then answer this question. Then questions about recent trends in the IT industry. Make sure to be prepared with few current trends of the industry that would help them understand your knowledge and understanding of the industry. Next question is another common question, which is, if rejected, how will you take it? Suggestion for this question would be, this question is just to stress you out and see how you react to it. Be honest about it and answer in a positive manner. Next, you can expect questions about the company. This is basically to test your knowledge and understanding of the company's procedure and about the company. Questions like who is the founder of TCS, who is the current CEO of TCS, or who are the main competitors of TCS in the world as well as Indian market, or what do you know of TCS as a company. So to tackle these questions, only thing that you can do is thoroughly research about the company before sitting for the interview procedure. Next, a few basic tips to improve your interview. Basic research. As an employer, your interviewer would want to assess your passion for the job. It is important to know basic details about the company you are applying. This will also help you decide whether the company is a right choice for you. Next, keep the CV in front of you. Your CV is a statement of your expertise and your experience. Given the current situation, the procedure can be online, so at least a hard copy of your resume should be kept with you during the interview. Punctuality. We cannot emphasize enough how important this is. Timeliness is an attribute that employers across industries look for. It indicates how important this interview is for you. Hence, it is advisable that you be on time. Next is crisp dressing. Dress to impress may sound a bit cliched, but is a common direction for all interviews. Dress up in business formals. Women must carry a neatly tied hairstyle. Remember, how you look will be the first impression that you make on the interviewer. Net connection. Given the current situation, you should have a proper net connection. It should be stable enough for your process to go without any kind of hindrance. Next, coming to the soft skills. Do not fiddle. If you keep playing with a pen, file, or your tie, it conveys a message about your lack of confidence and isn't a very positive attribute to be conveyed. Next is your posture. Sit with your back straight and do not bend. In fact, use your hand movements gently to express your point and opinion while you talk. Next, listen well. Do not be in a hurry. Listen to what the interviewer has to ask. Take your time to understand and then answer. Maintain a smile. A good smile is always pleasant, and not just the interviewer, but anyone would like to have pleasant experiences. Pitch and expression. Keep your volume low and do not get aggressive, even if you want to disagree. A calm tone and low pitch will help you convey your points better. That's all in this video. Thank you and all the best.